I'm back here. And I'm getting this lady done. And mind you, ain't nobody here but me. I'm here by myself. So I'm curling the lady hair, and I'm just like, I keep hearing all this noise, like somebody knocking or hitting or coming in or coming out the door. So I'm like ignoring it, like I just heard it right now. So I'm like, why I keep hearing all this noise? So I'm thinking the boss done came. I'm casually open up the door, walk out there to, ask him to get something for me. And ain't nobody in here but me. I keep hearing stuff moving around. Like, I'm so serious, y'all. And y'all, I've been doing this for a long time. But I'm trying to figure out